Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Swagbucks application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device. And if you are already logged into your account, you will directly end up within the homepage. Now, from the homepage, if you wish to log out, just click on the account icon at the top left corner, which will open up the menu. Now, within this menu screen, you will directly see the logout button at the very end. Go ahead and click on it and then tap on the OK button, which will now log you out from your account on Swagbucks right away. If you wish to log back in, you can continue forward with your Google account or by also using your email address as well as your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Swagbucks application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.